Hello kids, today we are going to revise the lesson. Which one lesson? The story of evolution of early man. The story of evolution of early man. First we revise the lesson in some points and then we solve the exercise. Let us revise point 1. Early man resembled an ape and lived in the wild. Early man resembled an ape and lived in the wild. 2. Early man was called a hunter-gatherer. Early man was called as hunter-gatherer. 3. Discovery of fire and invention of wheels were a major milestones in the evolution of man. Discovery of fire and the invention of wheel were major milestones in the evolution of man. 4. Farming helped early man move from a nomadic life to a settled one. Farming, when he started farming, he stopped from move to one place to another place. So farming helped early man move from nomadic life to settled one. 5. Man settled down near rivers. Yes, man settled down near rivers for his use and for agriculture. Now see exercise. Now see exercise. Fill in the blanks by selecting the correct options from those given in the bracket. Okay. Before going to fill the answer, you read the options and sentence one time carefully. Evolution, raps, hide, nomad. Evolution, raps, hide and nomads are options are there. A. Early man used animal dash dash to cover his body. Early man used his hide, H-I-D-E, hide, to cover his body. Next on the page. B. The term dash dash refer to a gradual change in the development of man. Which term? The term evolution. The term evolution refer to gradual changes in the development of man. Okay, now C. Creating dash dash given here help to man use water as a form of transport. Rafts, R-A-F-T-S. Creating rafts helped man use water as a form of transport. D. Dash dash are people who move from place to place. Nomads. Nomads are people who move from place to place. Okay kids, now we'll see question number 2. Take the correct sentence and cross for the wrong ones, means incorrect ones. So, A. Fire was used intelligently by man to scare away animals. Yes, it is correct. So make here tick. Fire was used intelligently by man to scare away animals. B. Ships were the best choice to keep a guard over a early man's home and field. Wrong. Ships were best choice to keep a guard early man's home and field. It's a wrong. C. Early man got the idea of wheel by looking at the moon. Wrong. Early man got the idea by how he got the idea by wood, by the how he get the idea. Remove the page and see here how he get the idea. Seeing a log of a wood rolling down hills, he get a idea. Okay, now see. So you make a cross. D. Farming helped early man settle down in one place. Yes. Farming helped early man settle down in one place. So mark here tick. Understood kids? Here tick the questions, tick the correct sentence and pause for the wrong ones also over. Now we are going to see the question answers. Answer the following questions. Why do we say that early man was hunter-gatherer? Why we say early man was hunter-gatherer? Because early man lived in nomadic life, wandering from place to place in search of food and shelter. So we called him hunter-gatherer. Understood? Early man lived a nomadic life, wandering from place to place in search of food and shelter. So we call him hunter-gatherer. Next question B. Which animals did the early man domesticated and why? Which animal did early man domesticated and why? Early man domesticated oxen which could help him in field, while cow, buffalo, goat, sheep gave him milk. Dog being a very friendly yet alert starter being used as a watchman to keep guard on the field as well as at home. Understood? Now, question C. Name some modern means of transport. We know modern means of transport: bus, car, train, monorail, aeroplane, etc. are some modern means of transport. D. What benefits the danger of fire did the early man learn? What benefits and dangers for fire did early man learn? Turn the page. See here, read the lesson, you will get the answer. The early man learned that fire could provide him warmth in bitter cold and cook meat, but it could also burn him if he was not careful. He started using fire to protect himself from wild animals also. Okay? Now, next question E. What is the question E? What were the advantages of early man settling down near the river? What is the question? What were the advantages of early man's settling down near the rivers? Turn the page. Read this one. Read this one paragraph. We'll get what were the advantages of early man settling down near the rivers. Farming helped man settle down near one place. As time went by, man realized the value of water in agriculture and started settling down near the rivers. He used the rivers for irrigation, fishing. He learned to make boats using a clay from the riverside. Then he made the rafts to carry heavy loads through the river water. Later he installed water mills on the riverside, powered by water wheel, drive by the water current in rivers. Understood, kids? This type early man was get advantages by settling down near rivers. Okay, now you read the lesson carefully. First of all, read the lesson carefully, learn the new words and solve the exercise. Try to solve it again once time on. Okay, and solve this one all exercise first of all in textbook, then copy down in your notebook. Understood? These question answers I'll give you in homework. Thank you for watching the video.